So, I got a little bit of the backstory. What's going on?
Well, the fellow came here, saw the water pooling.
Yeah.
Sorry, was it you who came here?
It was me.
For this one?
Originally, yeah.
Okay. Well,
It was a no-heat call.
Yeah.
Okay.
okay. Well, I asked him to send someone else, so that's a bit of a surprise.
Well, that's like Christian.
I'm here. I'm somebody else.
Okay. So, anyways, he said must be the heat exchanger because the heat exchangers on these fall apart and the rivets pop, and so it must be the heat exchanger. But the heat exchanger, as you can see, is in perfect condition.
Okay. Primary and secondary. 2 parts, to the heat exchanger?
Well, this is the one that has the rivets.
This does have rivets, yes.
Okay, so this is the one he was talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, the secondary is below that. Oh.
Yep. Attached on the bottom of each, yeah.
So, this is the one with the rivets. This is the one he was talking about.
Yeah, that's right. So what, the rivets, yeah, they do fall in.
Yeah, but those rivets are in perfect shape.
I can see, yeah.
Just the whole thing up a couple minutes too. One more.
So the original call was for no heat then, huh?
Yeah, like
Correct.
Just wasn't working.
draining, wouldn't drain. Even with the drain line off, it wouldn't drain.
I just don't see how either heat exchanger would generate water. Like this water probably came back down it was vented out the pipe, so the water probably came back down the pipe and drained out through the blower.
They don't generate water. They condense, yeah. So so much heat from the gas is being put to the house that your flue gases are actually cooler and actually condense on the way. That's why we use plastic pipes. So it actually condenses and drains back through the furnace. Back through the secondary heat exchanger. So the water coming back is actually warm. That's the point of the secondary. Warm water is in the secondary heat exchanger and ends up in your drain. So the fan blows over the warm water that's in your secondary and then your primary. So they get the efficiencies out of it.
Take crap out.
Sorry?
No, I showed the mark in it. Two options, pull it right out, or we can go through. There. You see the light shine through straight?
Where are you pointing at? Where are you feeling
I'm roughly the inside there. You probably under the bends, eh? Okay. This is why it's not draining, is if you look, see inside of here? This is everything inside your heat exchanger, your secondary, where the water comes from. In here, and they drain out of there. You can see from these lines what it's trying to drain out of your furnace, which is essentially blocking up your lines. That's why it won't drain for
It doesn't look like anything's blocked there.
No, it's on the inside will have blockage. Not here. Your drain line off this box, right here. That guy. See all the rust? So what's happening inside here, this secondary here is completely collapsing. It won't drain the water out. You pull the whole thing out, it's not the whole secondary. Rip it out.
It doesn't look collapsing to me.
Well, you can't tell, it's on the inside, right? We'll pull it out, get a look at the whole thing.